Welcome to Decent Channel. Last month, Decent Machinery warmly welcomed important partners who traveled a long distance to visit us. These clients are from Tanzania, and they're highly influential mining contractors in the region. Tanzania is abundant in gold mining resources, with a thriving mining industry specializing in local mining projects. Our clients boast solid strength and an outstanding reputation to procure equipment for their gold mining projects. The clients evaluated numerous suppliers across China. After thorough comparisons of technical specifications and pricing, they ultimately decided to engage in in-depth discussions with Decent Machinery. During this visit, the clients attended business meetings to go over project details. They also took an on-site tour of our factory to inspect our production lines and mine fans up close. The whole visit proceeded smoothly in a friendly atmosphere. They are highly satisfied with our product quality and thoughtful services. The project is now moving forward steadily, and the client will place an official purchase order with us this July. Now let's watch the genuine feedback from our valued clients.
Yeah, Decent Machinery service is good. We are very happy. We appreciate. We're looking forward to cooperate with you.
Okay.
Yeah.
And secondly, how do you think about Decent Machinery's factory and product?
Yeah, your factory is big. Your factory is good. It's well planned, very clean. We are very, very happy with that. Yeah, the product also is very good. We can see even the final touch is very, very good, very good. It's just impressive. Even us, we like something very good, very nice. So we promise you to have more business and more cooperation in the future.
Okay, thank you, Zach.
Thank you.